Hi, Arabella here from Botanical Biohacker. I just wanted to talk to you today about cell vitality therapy. So originally the cell vitality therapy was actually developed for astronauts because once you leave the Earth's surface, you are exposing your cells to huge levels of radiation, which causes the mitochondria to actually dysfunction and kick out way more free radicals than they normally would. So the problem is with having excess free radicals is that left unchecked or not mopped up, you're causing oxidative stress. And any disease you care to pick is oxidative stress. So oxidative stress is the damage to the cells, the denaturing of proteins, the damage to proteins and fats, which occurs through the free radicals, causing oxidative stress. So cell vitality therapy is actually developed to mop these free radicals up, preventing oxidative stress, therefore slowing the aging process, as an astronaut will age 20 times quicker once they've left the Earth's surface on the way to space, obviously causing them to age and sometimes pass before they would actually get back down to Earth. So that's talking about oxidative stress and free radicals. The other thing to consider is that cell vitality therapy is not only mopping up the free radicals, like I've just spoken about, but it also is increasing cellular energy. Now, inside each and every one of our cells is a mitochondria. Those mitochondria are the powerhouses, the energy production of each and every one of our cells. And inside the mitochondria, which there are higher concentrations of mitochondria in heart, brain and muscle cells because they're higher energy producing cells, you have all sorts of biochemistry going on inside these mitochondria. And in that biochemistry is a generation of cellular energy from food energy. So they're like the powerhouses of our cells. Now, in the conversion of food energy to cellular energy, you kick out free radicals a bit like a waste product, a bit like a car kicking out exhaust fumes. And as we age, post 30, you're actually kicking out more free radicals than you were when you were younger. So therefore you need more antioxidants to mop those up to prevent the oxidative stress. Remember, the oxidative stress is what causes us to age, what causes disease if not kept in check. So in the generation of cellular energy, you make these free radicals. So not only is the cell vitality therapy mopping up the free radicals, therefore slowing the aging process, but it's also increasing cellular energy. Now, cellular energy is used for all bodily functions, all bodily processes. The other thing that's very important is that the cell vitality therapy actually mops up heavy metals. Now, we have heavy metals inside our bodies from all sorts of different areas. We have them from pesticides, we have them in the air, water, food. We have them in our body, and we need to get rid of these to stay healthy so that fungi, virus, bacteria don't thrive in our bodies. We need to get rid of these safely, and that's exactly what the cell vitality therapy does. It actually mops the heavy metals, chelates them, and allows them to safely be excreted from our body. Also, the other thing that cell vitality therapy does is protect the cells from radiation. Like I was talking about earlier with the astronauts going into space, the radiation actually causes the mitochondria to dysfunction and kick out more free radicals. So we're experiencing unprecedented amounts of radiation at the moment in our environment, from cell masks, from laptops, from smartwatches, from iWatches, from mobile phones, from laptops, all sorts of items, our routers in our house, our PCs, smart meters. All sorts of environmental threats are producing lots and lots of EMF, unprecedented amounts. And with the 5G network coming in as well, it's making it even more dangerous for our cells, because actually the EMFs break down our cells and they cause the mitochondria to kick out more free radicals. And cell vitality therapy actually mops this up. So we've got the four things going on: protecting the cells from radiation, chelating and binding all the heavy metals, increasing cellular energy, allowing more energy production for all the vital processes and mopping up the free radicals. The other thing that cell vitality therapy does, which is very important, is allowing the nervous system to be in balance, is allowing the stimulation of the vagus nerve. So much nowadays we are experiencing the sympathetic nervous system to be in overdrive, which is taking away energy from stimulating the vagus nerve from the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the slowing down, the repair, regeneration, the part of the nervous system that needs to be activated for repair, rejuvenation and regeneration, for digestion and for allowing a proper absorption of our nutrients and processing of our foods. Also, it allows for proper sleep and good restful sleep. So if you've got interrupted sleep or digestive problems, it's more than likely that you've got an unbalanced nervous system or a nervous system that's out of whack. And this is what cell vitality therapy makes sure. So any adrenal fatigue or brain fog or nervous exhaustion is sorted by cell vitality therapy as it's balancing out the autonomic nervous system, activating the vagus nerve for these important bodily processes of regeneration, repair and rejuvenation. Is also making sure that proper communication occurs between the brain and the body. So the brain and the body are in constant communication. In fact, each and every one of our cells is doing over 200,000 communications every second. So it's huge amounts of information is being passed from cell to cell in our bodies through every millisecond of the day. For that important communication to occur in order so we feel well and vital and healthy and strong, we need that vital communication between each and every one of our cells. If that communication breaks down, we become sick, and so much sickness around is because of this uncommunication, which needs to be rewired. We need this communication to occur, and this is exactly what cell vitality therapy allows, for proper communication between cells. So messenger molecules get sent from one cell to the other, and that messenger molecule needs to fit exactly into the receptor site on the neighbouring cell for the message to be delivered. Now, if that protein molecule is damaged through free radicals, oxidative stress, or if the receptor site is damaged, again through the free radicals or oxidative stress, they won't be the exact right shape, i.e. the lock and key mechanism. So the key needs to fit exactly inside the lock in order for it to turn and the door to open. Same with the messenger molecule, it needs to fit exactly into a specific shaped receptor site for that communication, for that message to be delivered. And with the aging process and with oxidative stress, that is exactly what's happening. Those protein molecules and receptor sites are damaged, and therefore we need to repair them in order for there to be correct communication between not only the body and the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system, but for the brain and the body to talk properly and cell to cell. We need this to occur, and this is exactly what cell vitality therapy does. So I hope that's helpful. You may well have questions or may well be very intrigued by this information, as I certainly was when I first discovered this. And you may want to learn more, and that's exactly why I'm here, to help you. You may be a practitioner that wants to learn more, or you may well want to help your patients and clients with cell vitality therapy. I use a heart rate variability monitor, which monitors all these areas that we were talking about, monitors the communication, what's going on with the heart and the brain, and the total power that the output of the mitochondria are producing, and where that energy distribution is going, whether it's going to repair, regeneration or rejuvenation, or to the endocrine system or the nervous system. So if you would like any more information, please do feel free to get in contact with me. I'd be more than delighted to help you with this, as I found this therapy absolutely amazing and have helped many people to feel much better and have well-being and health and vitality and energy and slowing the aging process. So I look forward to hearing from you, and bye for now.